Now, how do you mute the incoming calls on the iPhone? Let's get into it. If you are new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and you'll never miss anything. Now, if you are receiving a phone call, like your phone is literally ringing and you want to mute it just for that particular call, you can press any of the physical buttons of your phone. Like you can use the volume buttons, or you can even press the side button, but you need to be careful because if you press the side button or the power button, that's the same thing. But if you press it once, the call is going to be muted. But if you press it twice in succession, you are going to decline that call. And, it is going to affect the other person because they know you just like decline them, right? Whereas if you press once, the other side doesn't know anything. You just muted your phone. Right, so this is for the situation when the phone is already ringing. But if it's not, well, what you can basically do is to make your phone silent the regular ways, like use the mute switch or just turn on the silent mode in your iPhone. Then you can also lower down the ringer volume, right, for the future calls. Or what some people do is that they literally set a ringtone of a silent sound, right? Like people usually just download the silent ringtone onto their phone and they set it as the ringtone. So the phone might be loud and everything, but since the sound for incoming calls is literally nothing, well, the phone doesn't ring and is like muted whenever you receive a call, right? So that's a nice little hack right there. I don't know that many people who use it, but I've definitely come across a few. So that would be about it from me. Let me know what you think about it below. Thanks a lot for watching and I will see you in the future tutorials.